Here are the elevators at the Hampton Suites in Lancaster. These are DOVERs. I believe they're copyright claim elevators because the Backstreet Boys was playing in here. Hope you enjoy. Here we are on the 29th floor of the Hampton by Hilton in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We got some DOVER impulses. It's a DOVER. What's bringing us here? It's another Irish dance competition that my sister is competing in. These are very cool DOVER impulses. This one. Oh, copyright claim elevators. Cray. Yep, these are DOVER. Got the Backstreet Boys. Nice. Got to talk over this. Hilton. Go up to 4. Up, spur down. Door close button works. Oh. These are nice. Phone's locked. Cray. Gold. Back on the street. Going down. Lobby. Watch this. It's got the old bumper. Oh, I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Oh, really?
I film elevators as a hobby. These are older DOVER elevators. Really nice. Wood. Music. Impulse. ADA compliant phone in there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on post notifications. Anyone, could you tell me when this was installed? I'd say this was installed in 1992 to 1993.